A bundle ID is a unique identifier for your app. In this video, I will explain you a step-by-step guide how to register your bundle ID for your first app. So let's get started the video. So first of all, you have to open any browser and you have to type appstoreconnect.apple.com. Then App Store Connect UI will be visible to you. Then you have to click on Apps. After that, you have to hit on plus icon and you have to click on New App, and a new pop-up will be appear in front of you, and then you have to click on Register Identifier and Profiles, and then a new window will open in your browser. And then if you find like this type of error, you have to just click on OK and you have to refresh your page again, and then your issue will be resolved. After that, you have to click on Register an App ID. You have to click on that button, and then from here you have to select App IDs. You have to carefully select this option, and then you have to click on Continue, and then from here you have to select App instead of Apply, and then click on Continue. After that, you have to enter description like anything related to your app, and then from here you have to select the bundle ID. And this bundle ID will be not visible to anyone, and this can't be changed, so choose this only one time. And from here, if your app requires any further access, you can ask your developer, because only you can able to access this page, only owner can able to access this page. And then you have to hit on Continue button, and then you have to review your confirm app IDs. You can confirm the description, services, capabilities, each and everything, and then you have to click on Register ID. You can able to re-edit these changes later whenever you want, but you are unable to change the bundle ID again and again. Just click on Register, and then your bundle ID has been registered. Now you are now able to create your app. In next video we will create the app. Video link is in the description. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.